for outlet, it's going to Illinois. Here we got the Etalon mixed brow set that includes 5 milliliters of every color. It has hazelnut, milk chocolate, cognac, light brown, dark chocolate, espresso, and you can mix them or use separately as you wish. Next we have and neutralizer. It's great if you want to neutralize dark lips, bright orange on warm undertone. And then we have the orange corrector here from Etalon as well. You can neutralize the gold shade on the lips or just to create warm shades. And we have this Kind Beauty practice molds for lips. Great because you can feel the volume of neutral lips in practice. And then we have, in the last, Swiss color brand, our most popular pigments, passion rose, wild rose, and passion berry.